Hello all. So today this video is all about the clarification of all the employees or students who want to come into IT, the IT field from non-IT. So we'll see the various possibilities how they are recruiting into the real world. Number one, I am a BCom graduate. Whether I can enter into the IT, enter into software. This is the question of everybody. So what will be the answer? Yes. So we'll see the what all you can do. First, okay. So what all you learn in the BCom? BCom, you learn about accounting, the debit credits and what. Nowadays, fintech is very popular. You can see fintech, all the product companies are using fintech. Okay. So leading software like Oracle Finance, SAP FICO. See, what is FI? That is also finance. So Oracle Financials, Certifico. So both have come into the cloud. So what we learn in this, that's what we are going to see now. Okay. So Oracle Financial or SAP, the syllabus are same. We learn a concept of general ledger. We learn accounts payables. We learn also receivables. We learn bank or cash management. We learn general ledger we already seen, assets. These are the only the 5 modules. It is very easy. Around 30 hours of training you can take into your next step into the IT career. What is general ledger speaks about? Journals. You learn debit or credit in the BCom. So very easily you can understand and go into the session. Payables, supplier invoices, payments. What are all the payment you make? This you will see in the payables module. Receivable, customer invoices, and receipt of money. Cash management. What is cash management? Bank reconciliation. Whatever you read in the +1 or +2, very basic accounting only. This is assets, purchase of asset, sale of asset, categorization of asset, location movement. See, it doesn't involve any coding. It doesn't involve any coding. Just this is the basic. So we are teaching you, and we are also recommend to send you to IT very basic training in all the languages. We are also training in Tamil, we are in English, and we are experienced faculty who are working in the real world. Okay. So whatever your question, put in the comments, we will answer. So you are a BCom or MCom, CA Inter, MBA, ICWA Inter or more, any professional course, or you are an MBA finance. These are all the people easily can enter. Okay, all the commerce, BBA, BCom corporate. You know the basic accounting, and we teach everything. And the company, software, leading software company, and most popular software in the USA, Middle East, India, everywhere. Oracle Financials is popular. Europe and even Australia, everywhere worldwide they have established. Thank you. Please comment.